And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera looking out towards the southwest there. And that's where the gusty wind is all coming from right now, helping to dry out the atmosphere a little bit. And speaking of speed, things will be moving fast this weekend with the Lethbridge Bulls. I'm trying to segue from wind to baseball, but I do have tickets to give away for this weekend's games for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you're interested in going to watch the Lethbridge Bulls play, then get on the phone, leave me a daytime and an evening number if that's appropriate. You know the drill, and I'll clear the phone lines. I'm going to step out of frame now and let you take a look at the current conditions. And while you're doing that, a reminder that tomorrow at 10 a.m., Crow's Nest Heritage signage will be unveiled in front of the Coleman National Historic Site of Canada Monument, which is adjacent to the museum there. So that's an exciting time for that community. As you can see, to the east of the Continental Divide, temperatures are still in the double digits, but to the west of the Continental Divide, back into singles, and that's because the heavy rainfall warnings extend all through that area. So they are certainly not getting any cloud cover. Heavy rainfall could see 50 millimeters in any of the locations that are covered by this green area. And then we've got the severe thunderstorm watches out in this pink area here. So to the south of the province here, it's pretty calm right now. We have a chance of seeing a thunder shower, but the severe weather is pretty much following this line. Now, we've got a series of low pressure centers that have been riding the jet stream, which is in a south to north pattern here. So it's getting that extra energy there. And then as it does so, the low pressure is swinging up the cold front. So that's traveling into southern Saskatchewan. So Regina, Saskatoon expecting to see some thunder shower activity tonight, although nothing as severe as what we saw in various areas of southeastern Alberta last night. They're not expecting that active weather. But as you can see, the yellow embedded in this flow, some areas are going to be getting some heavier amounts of rainfall, especially to the north and to the northwest of the Calgary area in the next 12 hours or so, which is not good. Areas to the west of Calgary, like Cochrane, saw 61 millimeters of rain overnight last night, so flooding is an issue in all those areas. And you can see highlighted here where that pocket of heavier intense rainfall is expected. And as we get further into tomorrow, that drying trend will continue to develop in southern Alberta. Here in the Lethbridge area, we're expecting a lot of sunshine, but areas to the west, as I said, and to the northwest, still seeing that track of precipitation being funneled by the jet stream. So it's not over for those areas from East Kootenay all the way up to Fort Nelson area in BC. Down east, looking at 9 degrees in St. John's right now, big low pressure center that's rotating off the coast, and it's far afield enough that it's causing rain through Atlantic Canada and the Maritimes, but it's also interrupting these warmer temperatures that are in southern Ontario, southern Quebec. They've got tornado watches and warnings and severe thunderstorm activity in various areas in southern Ontario right now. 29 in Winnipeg, could see a thunderstorm there as well. 26 and 22 in Regina and Saskatoon, 20 in Edmonton, raining in Vancouver, and rain expected for the next couple of days there. Rain as well in Prince George and all the way up into Whitehorse. And Yellowknife continues to be the bright light in Western Canada. You're able to see 23 degrees there, and that's going to continue with sunshine for the next few days in that area. East Kootenay looking at chance of showers tonight, 4 degrees for a low. Sun and cloud mix with that shower risk again tomorrow, 17 degrees for a daytime high. For the Crow's Nest Pass, cloudy tonight, windy tomorrow as well, gusting to 50. You'll have a sun and cloud mix with that lingering risk of shower activity, 17 degrees for a daytime high. Medicine Hat, partly cloudy tonight, 6 degrees for a low. Sunshine for you tomorrow, 22 degrees, winds out of the southwest at about 30 kilometers per hour by the afternoon. And here in Lethbridge, we're looking at an overnight low of 5, a few clouds tonight, windy during the evening hours until about midnight. We're expecting the winds to die down a little bit. Tomorrow, mainly sunny skies, 19 degrees for a daytime high, southwest winds at 20 kilometers per hour. And there you can see the up and down pattern that we have for the next few days, especially Sunday, looking like the target day when we have rainfall expected, about a 60% chance of that happening, and certainly cloudy skies. But the start of the work week stabilizes, looks like low to mid-20s, I should say, for daytime highs. That's it for me. Have a dry evening, everyone. Talk to you tomorrow.
Saturday morning cartoons just got a little healthier. The Walt Disney Company says it plans to ban junk food ads on all of its TV channels, radio stations, and websites geared towards children. That means kids won't be seeing commercials for fast food or sugary cereals in between cartoons. U.S. First Lady Michelle Obama helped Disney make the announcement yesterday. The guidelines won't go into effect until 2015 because of existing advertising agreements. A 7-year-old has a rare disease that makes her a little different than other girls her age, but she has decided that she doesn't mind being different, and now she's raising awareness for the disease while raising money to go to a conference to meet other kids like her. Sarah Story has more.
Guess that's enough. Yes, this is enough, guys. We can eat the rest.
It's a common activity for little girls, but one of these girls is anything but ordinary.
Hello, my name's Kelsey. I'm 7. And I have vitiligo since I was like 5 to 6.
Kelsey Head is living with a rare skin disease. Her mom, Stacy, says it all started as a small spot near her eye.
I thought it was a little white spot that she got from the sun from being outside. And I didn't know it was going to travel and, over her body.
Vitiligo is not life-threatening, nor is it contagious. It just makes this 7-year-old look a little bit different.
My mom tells me that everybody has something that makes them different, but it's how you deal with it that makes it significant.
She wrote a poem so her second-grade classmates would understand.
This vitiligo is mine, you see, and I'm going to continue to love being me.
And she's going one step further, organizing a garage sale to raise money.
Don't do it cheap. You put the bicycle for like $8 to $10. It's not going to be $10 for a bicycle.
And Kelsey's parents are trying to teach her not to hide behind her skin disease. If she raises enough money here, she'll get to go to Florida and meet kids just like her.
Blankets, pillows, cups.
Each penny raised will help fund a trip to a vitiligo conference.
I've been looking forward to seeing other people with it.
Stacy says it's one more thing that will help her daughter realize it's not the outside, but the inside that matters.
Keith Brown is here with a look ahead to sports. NHL season could be done tonight.
Yes, it could be. If LA wins, they will sweep the New Jersey Devils. The Devils have never been swept in franchise history.